आप लोगों की लाइक सब्सक्राइब की देन से आप लोगों की दुआ लगी है और ये चैनल तरक्की की राह पे है। तो चलिए इस चैनल को और मेरे मेहनत के द्वारा इसको आगे बढ़ाया जाए। तो चलिए हम बताते हैं सम नेचुरल रिसोर्स आर लिमिटेड के बारे में। कोयला, पेट्रोलियम एंड नेचुरल गैस आर द fossil fuels and their amounts in the earth are limited. Fossil fuels, forest and minerals etc. If at a rate faster than the rate at which these are formed in nature, they will get exhausted very soon. Once the present stock of these gets exhausted, no new supplies of this fuel will be available to us in the near future because it required millions of years to get converted the dead organisms into these fuels. As per present estimate, the no estimate petroleum reserves will last at most a few hundred years. This would lead to energy crisis. Moreover, the burning of these fuels is a major case of air pollution. Their uses also linked to global warming. So we should use these fuels only when necessary. First, it will reduce air pollution and thus lead to better environment. It will reduce the risk of global warming. It will ensure their available for a longer period of time. Conservation of coal and petroleum. Petrol and diesel are the main fuels used for driving vehicles, so we should make every effort to save these precious fuels in India. The Petroleum Conservation Research advise people how to save petrol, diesel while driving the vehicles. The various tips to avoid wastage of fuels while driving: drive at a constant and moderate speed as far as